So here's a little video that I put together at the Mopar Car Show back in May 23rd. So let's see what we got here. So it looks like first thing here is a quick view of a 70 CUDA. I think that is a 70 Charger RT and 69 Dart rectangle side markers. But here's the one that I kind of like. For one, it appears to be the same silver color mine is, and I also liked about this how it has the original paint. This is a 65 Dart Convertible. So yeah, it's not in perfect condition, but it's sort of like mine, sort of a semi-survivor car. This one is a 64 Dodge Dart, you can tell by the license plate, and this one of course has a V8 in it as well. I'm not sure what size engine it is, but I really like the wheels and the color of this. This next one here is what I think is a 61 or 62 Dodge Lancer, and this one has a slant 6, but I really dig the body style in these guys. I don't know, it's a cross between like 50s style and what's going to happen in the 60s. Really cool dash, I think. So here we go. This one is a 68, I believe, Fastback Barracuda. You can tell by the round marker lights, I think that makes it a 68. This one's got a 344 barrel in it. Don't know if that's the stock engine, but what really drew my attention to this is the AA1 paint code, which is the exact paint code my car is. This one's done up real nice interior, original hubcaps, and really like that. Although I prefer the notchback, the fastback is kind of cool. Alright, this one drew my eye. It's a Dodge Monaco. For one, you don't see too many of these cars. I think this is a 66 Dodge Monaco, and what I like about it is it has the same patina paint my car does, Nixon bumper sticker. But I really like this interior too. Check out the inside, how it has like the faux bucket seats in the back and the wood trim. And yeah, this is a really cool car. Really love the grille on these. It's sort of like a bow tie grille, and the hood ornament right next to it is another a Charger, sort of in same type of condition. But here is my favorite here. Sorry, Jerry. Charger, 1965, 66. I'm not really sure which year this is. The only difference really is the turn signal markers in 65, I believe. The 66 model has the turn signal markers, but I love the paint job on this. The color looks, and of course, look at that interior, the bucket seats in the back. This one's got a 383. Really done up, really nice. Beautiful car, and the Magnum 500 wheels. Next one here is a 64 50-year anniversary Dodge Dart. Has the GT model, or trim line, of course. A lot of similarities between these cars and my car, but I kind of like these years because of the front end. I like how it has the headlights, they kind of go into the fenders. This one, too, has a V8, and this one is a survivor car, 1964. You can see all the installed options. It's got the 273, it's got the 4-speed disc brakes, I believe. Can't see. But anyway, yeah. So it was a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoyed seeing a glimpse into what I find interesting at the Mopar Car Show. And you can get more information at moparheritagecarclub.com. Thanks.